Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm going to be reacting to two videos. There are two comebacks that I have to check out. First is Mamamoo, because this video released on 2nd of June and I didn't get a chance to shoot my reaction and check this video out because then I got the first vaccine shot and then I was not able to shoot anything for 3 days. So yes, better late than never. Momoos, I'm here to do the reaction. And the second video that I'm going to be reacting to is of Twice. They just had a comeback and I'm really excited to check both these songs out because both of these groups are insanely talented, and it's so amazing to just witness and be a part of the new comeback. I'm always feeling so happy. Like I of course I know that yes, there are older videos to check out and all of that, but it's a different happiness when you're part of a new comeback. So yeah, first I'm going to be reacting to the Mamamoo's song, which is called as this is called Where Are We Now, and Twice's song is called Alcohol Free. Okay, and of course, as I say in every reaction, I give out this disclaimer, if I should say so, is that I have not checked out the MV teaser, so I don't know what the song sounds like or looks like or anything basically. So I'm going into the reaction completely blind. I will put the timestamps for both the song reactions, so you can just watch this at one go, or you can go and check out the group that you like the most. So yes, let us start with Mamamoo, Where Are We Now, and then we will move on to Twice, Alcohol Free. Alrighty. Okay. I think any other comebacks that I've missed, because June has just started, because it's barely been 10 days, so I don't think these are the major group comebacks that have happened. If I've missed out on anything, please do let me know. Okay. Let us begin. Oh, subtitles. Ooh.
아름다웠던 눈이 부시던
Slow song?
아프도록 설레며 울고 웃었던
Ooh.
고마웠었던 놓지 말자던 때론 다투고자 못 이룬 수많은 밤
Damn, her vocals.
한없이 행복해 웃음 지었던 Where we now
Ooh.
널 만나 몇 번의 계절을 지나 그 어딘가
Oh my god.
헤매고 있는 게 아닐까 Where we now 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 기나긴 여행처럼
Wait. Moomoo's. I am sorry. I am I'm taken aback. I'm taken aback because I don't know. This was the last thing I was expecting. Like a really slowed down, sad song comeback. I don't know what I was expecting. I mean, maybe in the lines of Aya, because at the end you see, Hwasa with that hammer thingy. So I thought maybe something is gonna happen in those lines. Oh, this is firstly the vocals. Moonbell's part has not come yet. I am pretty sure she's gonna kill it, but I want to see how she raps in this kind of song, because the beat, I don't even know how the beat is gonna be for this song because it's just the piano at this point of time, but the vocals. Oh my god, all these three. Like Ween is sounding. I mean, I know a lot of you compare her vocals with Honey, but I'm sorry. It's sweeter than honey. Like it is 100 times sweeter than honey. I'm sorry, honey, Dabur honey. I'm sorry, but Ween's vocals win compared to you. Oh my god. What?
헤매고 있는 게 아닐까. Where we know, where we know,
Ween, oh my
where
god.
we know, where we know, where we know.
Oh wow.
기나긴 여행 중 어느 날 Talking about where we going 어디론가 날 데려가 줄래
Oh, she's sounding amazing.
바람 부는 대로 그냥 흘러가겠고 얼마나 걸까 여긴 어디쯤일까 On and on, we on the road 싱겁게 달려왔다 같이 했던 모든 건 멋진 드라마 같은 걸
Oh, fantastic.
No, no, we know 조만간 기억 끝은 어딘지 끝이긴 한지 숨 쉬듯 그렇게 당연했었던 Where we know
I am sorry, Ween. I love all of these girls' vocals, but I don't know why Ween is sounding just extra amazing, man. Literally legit getting goosebumps here. Momos? What is this song? It's fantastic.
날 만난 몇 번의 계절을 건너 그 어딘가 헤매고 있는 게 아닐까
Oh, wow.
Where we know, where we know, where we know, where we know 기나긴 여행 중 어느
The visuals are so calming. Some sort of noise was there at the background.
꿈처럼 짧았던 모든 날 아름다운 이별 이곳에 너와 같은 꿈을 꾸던 우리들 Where we now
Oh my god. I see, this is the only time they're smiling and enjoying having ice cream. I am. Oh my god. Director Hoban, whoever's directed this MV. I'm taking it all in. Actually, I'm trying to process the song. It was a pretty heavy song, so I'm just literally like taking a moment and sort of trying to process it. I think oh my god, I love it. I think this shocked me too much. Okay. I loved it, guys. I'm not able to say something because I'm just so, like, they've hit me hard. with this one, man. They have just hit me hard with this one. There is an amazing sense of maturity, power, then, pain, sorrow. I don't know. This was moving. Their vocals have moved me. It is not so much as, the meaning of course is beautiful, but the vocals just moved me. Even if I did not know the meaning of the song, even if you're just making this, making it listen to somebody, they're gonna feel something. Oh my god. Their vocals were just fantastic. I have no words. I have literally no words to explain properly how amazing they sounded. All four of these girls, all four of them just sounded beyond amazing. Beyond amazing. And Veen just completely stole the show for me for some reason. Completely. I mean, all four of them were top notch, but Veen just blew my mind. I mean, literally just got mind blown listening to her vocals. And here, this is the kind of song where everybody's vocals just shined. Just shined. Fantastic. Oh my god. Moomoo's, you should be so proud. You should be just so proud of Mamamoo for making this, that they made this song. I am thoroughly convinced now that Mamamoo can just do any kind of song, be it like a catchy song, where you're just chilling and all of that, something like Dinga, or be it a very sexy kind of song like Egotistic, a very refreshing song like Starry Nights, or a very painful song like this. Are you seeing the range? I am blown away by the range of songs Mamamoo is singing. It is fantastic. I mean, it is fantastic. I'm so proud. Even though it's a small company, RBW, right? Even though it's a small company, the kind of songs that they're putting out, the kind of content that Mamamoo is putting out, it's just exceptional. It's exceptional, Momos. It's exceptional. I'm blown away by this at the moment. I am blown away by this. This is them literally pushing their boundaries as vocalists, as artists basically, vocalist and rapper, as artists overall. What a beautiful song they have chosen for their comeback. Fantastic. I am like, my mind is completely blown away. My mind is completely blown away. Okay. Whew. Alright, now moving on to, oh my god, I'm just going to get a heart attack now. First Mamamoo's just awesomeness, and now another ultra talented group like Twice. Once again, firstly, so happy that Twice has made a comeback. I have been part of, this is the second time I'm like part of a new comeback, because the first time was I Can't Stop Me. That's the first time when I was part of a new comeback of Twice. And yes, now it is alcohol free. I'm feeling very happy and proud that there are a couple of more songs like Heart Shaker and all. I have to listen to them and those songs. And I was thinking initially that when I react to alcohol free, I'll make it as like a Twice reaction party. But then I thought that okay, this song, Mamamoo song, is also left for reaction. So let me just club that, and then I'll do the reaction parties separately, where I club 3-4 MVs together and I watch them at one go. So yes, let's react to Alcohol Free by Twice. This premiered yesterday, and firstly, congratulations to Twice, congratulations to Once. Let's see what the song is about. Again, like I said, once again, I did not check out the teasers, so the thumbnail is very interesting, looks very colorful. Okay. Woo! Oh, after Where Are We Now, I think I needed a song like this. This looks very different. Oh, this has such holiday vibes.
너와 있을 땐 내게
Oh!
신기한 변화가 있는데 자꾸 미소 짓게 돼
Ooh, look at Meena, gorgeous.
아무 일도 없는데 자꾸 마법에 걸려 밤을 새도 안 졸려 다른 생각 지워져 심장 소리는 커져 사랑이 참 쉬워져 그래서 빠지고 빠져
Oh, this is the chill vibes.
너에게 That's what you do to me 나는 alcohol free 근데 취해
Okay.
나도 없는데 너와 있을 때마다 이래
Shui. Now I know it's pronounced as Shui. But oh my god, can I just say before we move on? Is it just me or this is the most different Twice song that I've listened to? I think it's the most different sounding Twice song. For me at least. Once, please let me know. Because ooh. Oh, after Where Are We Now, I really needed a song like this. And so chill beats. Such chill kind of vibe. Firstly, the visuals itself are so stunning. They are so stunning. But the overall, visual being so colorful, it's absolutely giving me such positive, radiating vibes. Okay. And the beat drop is beautiful.
너에게
This one.
That's what you do to me 나는 alcohol free 근데 취해
Woo!
마신 게 나도 없는데
Nayan
너와
looks
있을
fantastic.
때마다 이래 날 보는 네 눈빛 때문에 너는 눈으로 마시는 내 champagne 내 wine 내 tequila margarita mojito with lime swim me mosa pina colada I'm talking you I'm talking you
Oh.
너는 정말 특별해 전혀 독하지 않은데
But this has salsa-ish vibes. I really like the Latino vibe. Oh, it's suiting them so much. Oh, I see again with Twice. I'm so happy now. I think after more and more, in fact, from more and more onwards, they have really been experimenting with their style, which just is fantastic.
낮에 별이 뜨게 해 한 모금 마셨는데 자꾸 마법에 걸려 밤을 새도 안 졸려 다른 생각 지워져 심장 소리는 커져 사랑이 참 쉬워져 그래서 빠지고 빠져 점점 너에게
They look fantastic.
나는 alcohol free 근데 취해
Woo!
마신 게 하나도 없는데 너와 있을 때마다 이래 내 보는 네 눈빛 때문에 Yo, 알코올 도수는 완전 0.0 근데 마실 때마다 자꾸 길에 잃어 자고 일어나도 깨지가 않아 근데 이 기분 싫지가 않아 It's to the mouth and honey Like a dream made of honey 이 순리는 도대체 뭐니 Makes the whole world bright as sunday 나는 alcohol free 근데 취해 마신 게 하나도 없는데 너와 있을 때마다 이래 날 보는 네 눈빛 때문에 너는 눈으로 마시는 내 champagne 내 wine 내 tequila margarita mojito with lime sweet mimosa pina colada I'm drunk in you
I don't know why. Like literally, maybe I don't know. It's because maybe how she has been styled. But Meena, like from the get go of this MV, is just catching my attention again and again.
I'm drunk in you
Oh man! Woo! Yo! Oh my god, you know what? I don't know why they have to, like, more of K-pop groups need to start experimenting with the Latino style, because just sounds amazing. The Latino vibe is just so beautiful and, you know, chill, and it just relaxes you completely, and you always feel like dancing. Even if this is, if you have noticed, wait, let me just stop this first. Ooh, okay. If you have noticed, the Latino vibe, even if it's a mid-tempo song or a slow tempo song or a fast tempo song, when it has the sort of, you know, Latino beats, you can just dance to any kind of song when it has that vibe, even if it's a slow song, mid-tempo, or a fast song. Fast song, of course, you can dance to. But that is the uniqueness of, you know, exploring this genre particularly. You know, the Latino feel. It's just fantastic. Oh man. More K-pop groups should actually try this out. This is, oh man, I'm so happy that we got a song like this from Twice. Correct me if I'm wrong once. At least I know, from what I know and from what I've listened to, Twice has never done a song like this. Never. Right? Never. This is the first time that they are actually doing this kind of concept, and if I think it is the first time, and I am in love with this. This has put me in such a, I don't know, like, I want to just have like a mojito and just chill and dance. Oh man, I just want to sway to this song. This is the kind of song I just want to sway to. I just find it so fantastic that they have done this concept. It makes me very happy. It always makes me happy when artists are trying out new things, they're experimenting with music, because that is how you know, push yourself as an artist, and you never know, with experimentation you can just get a banger like this. I just love it. I just love it. Na, 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 na. Oh, that beat drop, that's my favorite part. The chorus is my absolute favorite in this song. That was a complete standout. It has a very chill, beautiful choreography. All of these girls are just looking extra beautiful and extra stunning. With every comeback, I feel they look even more beautiful. I just feel that with every comeback they look maybe 10 times more. They've added like 10 layers of more beauty on them. I just feel like that. So yes, that was my reaction to Alcohol Free. So yeah, that was my reaction to two comebacks, both girl groups. Yo, girl power. One was Mamamoo, another was Twice. Both songs so different. This is what I love about music. You know, they're getting so much variety. I just love it. Like, where are we now? Put me in such a, oh my god, it just completely shook me. And this just brought me back to the chill, beautiful state of mind where I just want to be swayed and just want to have fun and relax. So yes, those were my reactions for today. I hope you had fun, Mumus and Ones. I hope you both had fun watching this reaction and have come till the end of the video. I'll sign off now. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.